Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, today the temperature in London has reached an all-time high, predicted to be 38 degrees. So we're all sweltering here. There's absolutely no air. And today I thought we're all missing Charlotte's voiceovers, aren't we? And I thought, why don't I do I tried to follow Charlotte Tilbury again. And so I picked out a very fitting one for today because I'm rushing off to spend some time with my sister. This looks like quite a simple look, and it's called the Ultimate Beach Holiday Glowing Skin Makeup Tutorial. So I'll be right back. Let's do this. Okay, here we go.
Complexion. It instantly floods the skin with moisture because it has this incredible blend of oils and actives. Next, apply my Magic Eye Rescue to the under eye domes of the eyes. This, I promise you, is the best eye cream I have ever used.
Okay, so I'm getting near the end of my magic cream jar. I'm not going to put too much of this on today because it's just going to melt. Just enough to hydrate the skin. I've already put on my sun protection, and very important, ladies, this is the one I use. Definitely recommend this one. Very good, got brilliant antioxidants in it. Okay, I think that's going to be enough. I did myself a little mini facial last night. A home facial. Loved it. Okay. And then we've got Charlotte's Eye Rescue. Good morning, Jack. I've only got a tiny bit of this left. So... hello. What, you following Charlotte's makeup tutorial? Okay, so next, what are we going to do next, Charlotte?
For instant glow, massage my award-winning Wonder Glow. It has fluorescent core that re-emits sunlight to more flattering angles of the face. Soft focusing.
Soft focusing Giselle in a jar, yes, we know. Wonder Glow, give it a bit of a shake. Okay, next, Charlotte.
Your lines and pores, and just making you look like you've shrunk Giselle in a jar. Introducing my new unisex healthy glow. This is a really great product. It morphs to your skin tone for the healthiest, happiest, glowing skin of your life. This product has secret chameleon tan pigments that adapt to your skin tone as they are massaged into your complexion, giving you the most natural, vibrant, healthy glow of your life. Watch it transform as you work it into the skin.
And I have to say that on this particular occasion, not saying it's not always, but the hype is very true in terms of me. So watch it transform the skin. Let's put it on this side of my face. And you will see. Hopefully. I love this stuff, as you know. Put some under my eyes. Let's see if you can tell how it kind of just evens out your skin tone. It doesn't look that obvious in this camera, but I can assure you it does. Let's put it on the other side. I'm just going to give that a good massage because, as I say, in the heat, everything feels a lot stickier. I want to make sure I've worked it into the skin. I'm just going to put a little bit more under my eyes. Right, next, Charlotte.
You can apply this over or under a moisturiser. Apply my retoucher into underneath the eyes for instant refreshed radiance.
Now, I always forget something. I'll be right back. I've got everything else set up, but there's always one thing I forget. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm using shade 3. I did get a sample of shade 2 to see if... My hands are so sticky I can't get the lid off. To see if it would actually work like the Mini Miracle Eye one, but it looked quite pale at the moment. Possibly for the winter it would work, but I think it's too light for me right now. And then I'm just going to dab that in with my fingers, which I believe is what she does on the video. I will post a link to the original video underneath so you can have a look. I forgot to do the before photo, so I'll screenshot it again. It always looks like a not very glamorous angle when I do my before photos. This is very light, this retoucher, so it doesn't feel like you've got lots of cakey concealer under your eyes. Alright. Next, Charlotte.
Brush up the brows using small upward strokes using my Legendary Brows in clear.
Right, I have Legendary Brows in clear. This was one of those things, I think I got this in one of those Friday sales. It was a mystery box, and it was in the mystery box. Probably wouldn't have purchased this. I prefer having the one with the colour in it, but for summer it's good. So this is just like a clear gel. To be honest, I love the coloured one, but with this one I don't see, like, you could get a clear gel from a drugstore. I don't think it makes a lot of difference, to be honest. That's why I wouldn't have purchased it otherwise, but it was in a mystery box. Right, next, Charlotte.
Curl your lashes using my rose gold eyelash curlers. Use my mesmerising cream eyeshadow in Bet.
You just jumped. Okay. Eyelash curlers, and then I will go on to Bet. And then lean your head back and why is it you always feel like you've got to open your mouth when you do these things? Oh, that worked this morning. Just make sure I get nice and close to the root. And then I slant it upwards like that. And lean my head back. Yep, that worked too. Okie dokie, now we're going on to Bet. So I need an eyeshadow brush, please. I have it all set up here. Right, so she's putting Bet. Do you know what I'm going to do though? She puts it on with the brush. But I just find it easier to put it on with my fingers and then blend it with the brush. Otherwise it just becomes fiddly for no good reason. So let me just check this is clean. I don't want to add other colours to it. So I'll buff it in then. Let's do the other side. And I noticed something she did on this tutorial, which I will tell you about in a minute. Hello? Cool ringtone.
Oh, okay.
Be right back. Okay, so I've finished putting Bet on off camera, and I've put the full fat lashes on. So let's see what she says. So she's doing windscreen wipers. Now what she did, I watched her on this video, is she used the smudge brush and she went back over on the lid to just intensify it a bit, which I thought was a really good tip. She doesn't say it, but I can see her doing it. So she's putting the Bet on, and then she's putting the full fat lashes. I'm going to forward it through,
but it actually makes your eyes, the colour, the way it catches the light,
because we've done that now. And there's the full fat lashes. Okay, let's see what she's got to say next.
My Film Star Bronze and Glow is the secret to the easiest contour in the world. Use the bigger bronzing brush to create an all-over natural bronze onto the temples, foreheads and cheekbones. Using my Sculpt and Precision brush, dust your highlight shade onto the...
Right, she's running ahead again. So, bronzing brush. Let's do this. Plenty of this because it's a powder and it will get rid of some of the shine. It is so humid in London. Just put some down here and on my chest because it's always paler. Look at that. Sweating on my upper lip. That is how hot it is. We're just not used to it in the UK. All you people in the States that are in hot areas, you probably are laughing at us, but we are not set up for this kind of weather, and we don't have aircon anywhere. Literally only in our cars. Okay, anyway, so let's move on to the next thing. Yeah, she's doing her highlight, isn't she? I'm getting distracted, chatting away as usual. So here we have the highlight. I don't think we need too much glow today because it's there naturally. Perhaps a bit too much. A little bit down here. I tell you what I am going to do, just a little bit of a nose contour, which she doesn't do in this video. But just okay, and I'll use a bit of highlighter down the middle. Right, next, Charlotte.
Tops of the cheekbones for an instant healthy glow.
Right.
For a fuller, wider lip, recheat and resize the lips with my Lip Cheat lip liner in Iconic Nude. Finish the lip by sweeping and no.
I think because she's using a lip luster, I'm going to put this over the entire lip. Don't worry, this is going to look a little bit too pale for me, but it doesn't matter. And then
Nourishing Ibiza Nights lip luster all over the lips for a three-dimensional glow.
Ibiza Nights. This is beautiful, this really lovely summery.
Complete your glow look with supermodel body. This is
I don't know where my supermodel body is. I just put a bit more bronzer on.
Kardashian West look absolutely fantastic on the red carpet with this all over her body.
And maybe a bit of highlighter on their bones here. And that is it.
Shop now at charlottetilbury.com.
Okay. Oops.
Hi.
Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed today's Let's Follow Charlotte. And I'll see you very soon. Take care. Have a lovely day. And keep cool and stay safe in the sun. Bye-bye.